This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the iPhone is charged and online. This prevents interruptions. Once done, go to Settings and attempt to sign out of the current Apple ID. This clears activation lock when possible. If you can't sign out, note the device may require the previous owner's credentials. Make sure to have the new email or phone number ready because you will create the new Apple ID immediately after erasing the device to avoid partial setup states. Now perform a full erase. Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone erase all content and settings. This removes the old account data and prepares a fresh setup. During the initial setup screens, choose Create a new Apple ID, enter the email, a strong password, and the required security questions. Once created, enable two-factor authentication immediately and verify with the codes sent to your phone to secure the account. This prevents lockouts and ensures. Finish by signing into iCloud with your new Apple ID and enable Find My iPhone and iCloud backup so your data syncs and is protected. Make sure App Store purchases and subscriptions reflect the new account. Re-download any needed apps. If the device prompts for the previous Apple ID during activation, contact the prior owner to remove the device from their account. If that's impossible, gather proof of purchase and contact Apple support for help resolving activation lock. This is the most reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.